Hello guys. Happy Sunday. I've just been having a super chill, super relaxing Sunday, which was much needed. My trip to California was definitely a vacation for sure, but you know, with the responsibility of the dogs and just running around trying to see everyone, like it just definitely wasn't very relaxing, I should say. So definitely needed a day to just chill. I took a super long nap. It was fantastic and I'm feeling great. So I had some errands that I wanted to run today. As you can see behind me, it decided to snow. That was not the plan. It was supposed to maybe rain a little. Anyway, I have an appointment to get my nail fixed. I have one nail, this one, that needs to be fixed. And I really don't want to cancel on them and I want it fixed. So I thought, since I'm already gonna go out, I will just go do my errands anyway, just because I was thinking maybe I wouldn't because it was snowing. So we're going on an adventure. We're going on a shopping adventure in a snowstorm and I'm bringing you guys along. All of my stuff is really close, so, you know, hopefully it won't be too much driving and it won't snow too much. Hopefully it'll stop because it's not even that cold. So we'll see. But I'm excited to be back in my routine, my usual daily routine, back in my house with my stuff, home cooked meals, and hanging out with you guys in the proper way. So today is Sunday, like I said, and my plan was just to do a few errands of getting things back in order, getting some stuff back in order for our house. And so that's the plan. We're going to Target, we're gonna go to Marshall's, and we're gonna go to the grocery store, and I have to go to the pet store. So you guys are gonna be along with me for an hour or two, just running some errands, and then depending on what time it is, because it's 3:30 and my appointment, my car's yelling at me that it's cold. I know, we're not in California anymore. My appointment is at 5, so I have some time. I'm hoping to run to Target and Marshall's before my appointment, and then we'll run to the pet store and to the grocery store afterwards. I'm trying to think of what I want to make for dinner tonight. I want to make some banana bread. It is banana bread weather, and I have 3 super ripe bananas that I need to use, so we'll do that. And you guys just come along. I have a few more house things I need to do, but mostly just running these errands and getting these things done. We'll do a food haul because I'm gonna be restocking the fridge. And it's just gonna be a typical Sunday going along with me, so we'll do that. And I'm excited to spend it with you guys. I am really stopping myself from the urge of stopping for a coffee, for a hot latte. Since it's snowing and coming down like this, I really don't want to go into, I don't want to like stop and get out of the car and go in somewhere that I don't have to, other than my shops that I have to go to. And the only coffee place that is in Target is a Starbucks. And I'm really not feeling like going to Starbucks. So we'll see what happens. Have you guys seen that meme? I think it's a meme, and there's also one that's like a reel, but it's like that urge to like not spend $5 on a latte every time you leave the house is me. The urge is real, guys. The urge is real, but we'll see if I make it through without. I got my nail fixed. This one. So happy. I was wearing a band-aid on it for a minute, and then it just didn't have a nail on it, and it just feels kind of weird when all the rest do. So now it looks nice and cohesive, nice and put together. It stopped raining / snowing when I was in there, and the sun is out now, which I'm so happy. I'm glad I got out of there before the sun went down. because it took longer than expected, and I was sitting in there like, oh my god, the sun is out, I need to get out of here and be able to go and enjoy it. So we are headed to the grocery store. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods because I want to get some milk, so we'll just get everything else there, and then we'll head home. We'll make some dinner. I have no idea what I want. I really want to do takeout, but I'm trying to challenge myself not to, because when I was out of town, that's all I did, and we got takeout last night, so I'm trying to challenge myself to eat in and to make something. So we'll figure out what that's gonna be. Maybe I'll just pick up something quick at Whole Foods. That's what we're doing now. We're headed to Whole Foods, so we'll go shopping together, and then I'll show you guys a little food haul, because like I said, we're gonna be restocking our fridge. Thomas went to the store yesterday and grabbed a few things, like some eggs, and he grabbed like some bagels for us to have this morning. But we need a restock of some of our staples. So I'll tell you guys what I get for that, what some of our staples are, and I will end up getting something for dinner. And then I still want to make some banana bread, but I'll probably make that after dinner later on. And that'll be nice because using the oven will warm up the house, and that banana bread smell will just be amazing and very homey and cozy tonight, which is definitely what I need after being gone for so long. It just feels so good to be home and in my hometown. Let's go to the store and... Okay guys, I'm back from my errand adventure. I just want to show you guys real quick what I got. Sorry if the dogs are making noise. You know, when I get home, they start getting all crazy and hyper. First things first, from Target, I just grabbed like some household things. So I grabbed this. If you guys have dogs, this is a lifesaver. It attaches onto this. It attaches onto this, so this is the old one. And then the new one goes like this. And then I use it on like everything, even rugs sometimes, in the carpet. And it says it is just a little, it's designed to pick up pet hair, lint, and stubborn debris. So it's a little bit extra than just a regular lint roller. And I do it all over our sofa because, as you know, it's a light color and I have a black dog. And it's life-changing, I swear. Like, so much hair comes off. So that's my first thing I grabbed because we were out. I grabbed some all-purpose cleaner because I don't have just a regular all-purpose cleaner. I have like a Lysol one, but that's a little bit intense chemicals for just everyday things. And you know me, and you know I'm a little bit of a clean freak, and I like to pretty much clean and wipe down my surfaces daily. So I wanted one that wasn't too much chemical. Got some Ajax. I've been just trying out different dish soaps because, once again, I want to make sure that it's a good quality dish soap and it doesn't have any shit in it. This says it has naturally inspired fragrances, 0 parabens and phosphates, biodegradable active ingredients, and it's responsibly made. So we'll see. It was super cheap, and that's why I got it, because I would like it to be cheap but then still not have crap. So we'll see how Ajax is. I'm gonna look up reviews online too. And then I also got some, where is it? Thomas brought it in. Just some laundry detergent. It's over there that I needed from TJ Maxx. Wait, it's not TJ Maxx. This is TJ Maxx. We don't have a TJ Maxx. We have a Marshalls, but from Marshalls I got some candles. Marshalls is my favorite place for candles. This one is just a crisp white candle, and the label is just super clean and beautiful, which I love. And it's just a really nice smell. Got that one. I didn't want to go too crazy for Easter decorations, but I have a few things already, and I saw these and I thought these were just so beautiful to put into maybe that bowl or just some bowl that I have for Easter. I grabbed another candle. This one is a perfume collection, I think. Bougie perfume collection. Incense. It smells really good. I was almost gonna let you guys take a whiff. It smells really, really good. I love my white simple candles. And then I grabbed these two for the dogs. This is a water buffalo cruncher, which I've never heard of before, but it wasn't too expensive and it seems like it could last them a while, and I just need stuff for Doan to keep her busy. And then this is a dipped antler chew. She loves her antler chew that we got from my mom's house. We stole one from Kobe, her dog. He has a ton, but this one is dipped in USA sourced liver, which is a little extra, but that was the only antler they had, so we'll see if she likes those. And then let me unpack some of my grocery stuff and I'll give you guys a quick grocery haul. Quick grocery store haul. I got some Three Wishes cereal. This is a fun treat to have at night when I'm feeling a little chocolatey, or in the morning if you want. It's just a better cereal, better ingredient cereal. It has more protein, less sugar, and better ingredients is what it says in the box. And I got some flour because I'm gonna make some banana bread later. We got some oat milk. This is the best milk if you are looking for the least amount of ingredients. And their oat milk was on sale, so I got 2. And I got 1 almond. And then I got this organic creamer, and this has a little bit of sugar in it, but I just put a little bit in my coffee with the milk and it's delicious. I got a cauliflower. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it called to me at the store. I got some bananas, got some steak for Thomas. I got some soy sauce, and I feel like we're always running out, so I found a supersized one at the store and I grabbed that one. Ooh, don't break on me. I got some black bean chili that has some quinoa in it for dinner because I really don't want to cook, but I didn't want to just fully eat out, so I thought this was a happy medium, a good compromise. And I have some avocados that I'll put on top of that probably. Got some high protein tofu. I got this I maybe was gonna have for dinner, but then I saw the chili, but I still got it just in case. This is just a quick rice ramen. Got some eggs. We get these pasture raised eggs that are organic. Got some sour cream because I'm gonna try out a new banana bread recipe that calls for sour cream. I don't know, it's supposed to make it moist, so we'll try it. Got some chocolate chips and my favorite Siete hot sauce, of course. And that's it. Kind of thought we had some more things to get, but I forgot maple syrup and I'm really sad. It's okay.
What's up, peeps? Just wanted to come say hi real quick. Don't mind me. Just checking out the grocery stuff. Me and my new hair. But I just wanted to show you guys what's going on with the hair situation. You know, summer's around the corner and it was time for a change up, so there you go.
He wanted to show you guys. Look at this giant soy sauce.
Oh my god. Right? It'll be good for a while.
But we're always running out, so
we are.
That will make sure, because we use it so much.
Okay. I also made a trip down the hill to Sedona to get some more, what is it? Spring water? I was gonna say like fountain water. Spring water. Yeah, spring water. I always gotta keep this on deck. What's cool is that these bottles that we originally got this water, but now we just reuse them. But it's Mountain Valley water. Spring water, which the place that we get it from honestly looks like this, and it is down the mountain in a valley, and it's spring water, so it just goes with it perfectly.
Here.
I got a milk mustache. A Guinness mustache.
While my dinner is cooking, it's almost ready. I just threw the soup on the stove. I'm gonna open these boxes that I got in the mail. They're from In Bloom, which is a brand by Kate Hudson. I found them on Instagram and I reached out to them and they sent me a few things. Let's see. Thank you. So we have this In Bloom Nutritional Powerhouse Blends multiplex powders for your body, mind, and skin. And this one is, I think, just a bunch of their, this is like a sample pack, which I was really excited for this, so I could just try them all out and let you guys know how they are. Packaging's really amazing, really sweet, and really good quality. Create and maintain a healthier lifestyle. So there's a Brain Flow, which is a full spectrum, why do I have a hard time saying this word? Brain Flow, which is a full spectrum cognition blend. That one looks great. There is a Beauty Aura, which is a inside out beauty complex. We also have Essential Elements, which is a multivitamin meets daily greens. And then one more, which I think is the sleep one. Oh, Immune Defense, multiplex protection blend. So I'm so excited. These all are just sound right up my alley and super cool to try out. And then I got a pack of the Essential Elements, which is the daily multivitamin and greens. So I have a small one of those, and then now I have a large one. And I ordered their, what did they call it? I can't remember exactly what they called it, but this is just like their sustainable packaging. So no plastic. This is, yeah, it says right here, I am not plastic. I am fully omnidegradable and will decompose without ever harming our planet. Feel free to recycle, compost, or simply throw me away, which is another thing I absolutely love about that brand, that you have the option to pick that. Just really love that. So great job. I'm really excited to try these throughout my week, and throughout the next few videos I will show me using them and let you guys know what I think. Follow me on Instagram for some updates on those, that's for sure. And then this is another one, also from In Bloom. This is one I'm really excited about. So they sent me a sleep mask. This is their Rest Well kit. So I have a Dream Sleep Herbal Slumber blend. Say that 5 times fast. Dream Sleep Herbal Slumber blend. And this comes in a really nice packaging. This feels just really nice and heavy. It is interesting. Yeah, I was wondering what's in this. Some chamomile. This has some chamomile. It says 2 spoonfuls before you hit the pillows. Gently encourage your body and mind to drift into sleep. Wake up refreshed from longer and better quality rest. So I'll try this tonight. This will be, have that in our video tonight. And then I got a little sleep mask. I believe it is customized. This was something I was so excited about. I have one already and I love it. I've been using it so much more. So I'm really excited for this one. Look at that. Sleep with us, tell your friends. It's hashtag Slip Silk Pillowcase. Hint, the better you care for your Slip Silk sleep mask, the better it will care for you. See the care label. And then, like I said, it's customized for them, so it's a nice little Rest Well. And that is my little unboxing. I'm really excited for all of these, and I will let you guys know how they are and what I think about them. I'm making a new banana bread recipe, like I mentioned, and I didn't really check that it said it needs to cool for 2 to 3 hours after, and it says the cooling's the most important part for texture. And since I used agave instead of maple syrup, I'm already worried a little bit about the texture and the taste, so I want to make sure I do that exactly how it says. So we're gonna let that cool, and that'll probably be like by the time I'm ready to go to bed, so we'll have that for breakfast. So I'm gonna have some of this 3 Wishes cereal that I had, or that I bought today, and one of these Misfit bars. I talked about them in my other vlog, and this one is a chocolate caramel flavor. Really excited to try it. Thomas is gonna have the white chocolate peanut butter one, or white chocolate peanut. And we're gonna go sit and watch some Friends.